Okay, fine. Hello, friends. Welcome to this session of Talk with Toppers from EduCARE. And today we have Vaishnavi Dhikale with us. She is from Nashik and she has scored 113 marks in 3 years law CT. Hi, Vaishnavi. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Hi,
How do you feel, Vaishnavi? How do you feel now?
sir. I'm very happy when I see the score at the time of result, and my family also very happy because we are not expected such a score. But yeah, of course, it's a very great, and I'm very gratitude towards the BHU care and all my teachers that guided me time to time for this exam.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, Vaishnavi, what made you to select the career in law?
Yes, sir. So actually, I'm currently pursuing last year Bachelor's of Commerce. So in commerce, there are one subject of business law, and my teachers are always ask me that I have a great opportunity in the law because I have that daring and I have that communication skills, and also I'm very experts in debating. So that I choose this career, and my father and my family are also thinking that I'm very progressive in this field, so I choose this field for my career options.
That's great. That's great, Vaishnavi. Okay. Okay. So the qualities you have therein uh, inspired you to get into the law profession, right?
Yes.
Great, great. That's great. Okay. Anybody there in your family who is already a lawyer or in this particular profession?
No, sir. I'm the first aspirant to do the law, and there is no any proper guidance from my family, but my teachers are always supported me for this field.
That's great. That's great. So you are the first generation lawyer from your family.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
great. Vaishnavi, how did you prepare for your Maharashtra Law City 3 years program? What
So
was the
I
preparation
started my
strategy?
preparation.
Hmm. Sorry.
Yes, yes. So I started my preparation in the month of February. Firstly, recall all the syllabus of this. Then I learned the content of the particular syllabus. Actually, so I'm from commerce background and I have interested in CS. So the legal aptitude is quite a little bit I have read, but reasoning and general awareness are quite difficult for me. But of course, the Be Educare mock test is always helps me to find what type of question asked in the actually exam. Then I started my preparation with the mock test. First, I give mock test for that for recognize where I can stand. Then I scored first time 80. Then later on, I understood my barriers where I can boost my marks and all. And then I started from reasoning, legal aptitude, and for general awareness, I daily study the BHUCare YouTube online channel where I can learn this all things.
Great. For how many hours did you study? For how many hours did you study every day?
Yes, sir. So I studied 3 hours daily for
Three
that.
hours daily. For what span? What was the
Yes.
span total? 6 months, 1 years, or how much? How many? What was the total span?
So total, I can study. Yes, sir. I can study 4 months preparation totally. Along with this, I can also prepare for CSPT exam, executive level.
Great, great, great. So 3 hours per day for 4 months, right? And that get you into this
Yes,
result,
yes,
this
sir.
amazing score. Great, great,
Yes,
great,
sir.
great. So,
Thank you.
what is the kind of message you want to convey to the upcoming law aspirants?
So I should generally suggest to the new aspirant that do the mock test regularly. And mock test is the way that where you can find yourself where you are stand. So mock test is very important. Then you should plan properly because without planning, you nothing do anything. Means
Correct.
you score 110 plus. So planning must be there, And of
Perfect.
course, the EduCARE team is always supportive. So I can suggest everybody to join this. And general awareness is totally this year is totally from the lectures are provided in the YouTube channel also and also on the app. So I suggested to join the EduCARE for that.
Okay, thank you very much, Vaishnavi. So nice talking to you. And once again, congratulations and all the very best from the Be Educare team, the whole Be Educare family, and myself. Thank you very much for being with us and
Thank
all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Bye.